Hi guys, welcome as we solve the question before us. And I read the question. The expression you have ax raised to 4 plus bx to power of 3 minus x squared plus 2x plus 3 has remainder 3x plus 5 when it is divided by x squared minus x minus 2. Find the values of a and b. So therefore, guys, we have an equation right here, as you can see. And this equation has a remainder. Guys, this is R, or this is the remainder. And we are dividing that equation by x squared minus x minus 2. And so therefore, guys, the first thing we are going to look for is the roots of this equation. And the roots are given by, we come and solve this one, we shall have, finding the factor, we have x squared, get two numbers. If you multiply, you get negative 2. If you add, you get negative x. That is minus 2x. Now plus x minus 2. And so therefore, guys, our factors are then going to be, but before that, we shall have here, we can put it like that. And we also put it like that. So we can factor out the x. We are left with the x minus 2 plus 1 x minus 2. And so guys, our factors then are going to be x plus 1 and x minus 2. Guys, this is equals to 0. Equating then, guys, our roots are going to be x equals to negative 1 and x is equals to 2. Guys, now we go back to our polynomial. Guys, we have our polynomial right here. And we are told that if we divide by this, guys, we get this remainder. And so it means because this is a remainder, if we come and take away from our polynomial, that is, we come here and say minus the remainder, which is 3x now plus 5, like that, guys, then this one will now be divisible. And because of that, this now becomes 0. So whatever we put, the value of x we put here should give us 0. Remember, for the remainder is what remains after division. So to make the polynomial be divisible, I would have to subtract 3x minus 5. And so therefore, guys, we now come to the first root, which is x equals to 1. And before we come to that root, we can actually write this equation, and then we can now, this remainder, we can put it on this other side. And so guys, I have put 3x plus 5 on this side, and so it becomes a positive. And so guys, now I come with the first root, which is x equals to negative 1. I now substitute in the whole of this equation. For that, guys, this now is going to come to negative 1 raised to 4. Guys, that comes to 1. So we have a there, plus negative 1 raised to 3. Guys, this comes to minus b. Now minus, this now comes to 1, minus 2, plus 3. And this is now equal to, this is negative 3 plus 5. And so therefore, guys, this is now going to be a minus b equals to 2. Guys, because minus 1 minus 2 plus 3, that is 0. Here we have a minus b, and this one you get negative 3 plus 5, which is 2. Guys, now we say when x is equals to 2. Now, guys, we replace for that. So when we replace for that, guys, we are going to have 2 raised to 4, which is 16a, now plus 2 raised to 3 is 8. So that comes to 8b. Remember, we are replacing for x with the roots. As this now comes to minus 4, then we have plus 8 plus 3 is now equal to 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 5, which comes now to 11. And so therefore, guys, this now comes to 16a plus 8b is now, this is now going to be minus 4 plus 8 is, that is 4, plus 3, 7. And then 7, you can take this on this 7 on this side. So that becomes 11 minus 4. That is 11 minus, guys, even before I continue, I can correct myself at this point. 2 multiplied by 2, guys, this is 4. So, guys, I beg your pardon. And so, therefore, we have now negative 4 plus 4 is 0. And this 3, we can take it on this side. So, that becomes 11 minus 3, and this is now 8. Guys, we have now 2 simultaneous equations. That is 16a plus 8b equals to 8. And a minus b equals to 2. Guys, you can solve those simultaneous equations. And when you solve, guys, you shall get a equals to 1 and b equals to negative 1. And so, guys, these are our solutions. That is a equals to 1 and b equals to negative 1. Thank you, guys, for listening to me. Bye-bye.